Hi friends, I'm Megha. Welcome to my channel, New Version. Today I want to share something with you. How I started learning English language. What's my first step to learn English when I was a beginner? So here is the story of 2020 when I start listening English content. Yes, that time I was listening so much English content because I could not speak in English. I felt at the time of COVID, this is the time I should learn English language. Then I started listening English videos on YouTube so that my brain is familiar with that language. Then I started speaking English. So this is how I started first. So is my journey. In my experience, I feel listening is a essential to learn any language because we are not in that environment. The people speak in English. In my family, my mother, my father, my siblings, my neighborhood, nobody speak in English. I don't have that environment where the people speak in English. We always talk each others, we always communicate each other in Hindi language and my mother tongue. So I face this challenge when I'm not able to speak any single word in English. That time I realize that time I feel I'm not able to speak in English. So I start listening English content on YouTube. Whatever my interests are, I just search on YouTube. I just watch and listening that English content little by little. So my brain consume that language, the grab that language. I just feel that language. I just catch that language sentence. So my brain is familiar with that language. So I listening English content 1 week 2 week. Whenever I listening any English content, my next step to speak. Yes, when you start to learn any language, you first listening that language, right? After that, the second step is to speak, right? So when I listen the English content, English video, I just completed that video. After that, I give myself any topic to any situation to speak in English. So that time I feel, yeah, listening is a really helpful for me. So why not it's helpful for you when you are a beginner? Because that time I was a beginner. I'm not know how I speak. So because of listening, I just familiar with language. I understand that language. I easily when I consume that language, little by little, small by small, I my brain is familiar with that language. My brain is comfortable with that language because since childhood I only hear and speak and listen only two language. First the Hindi and second is my mother tongue. So I believe in my personal experience I share with you. This listening is a really powerful tool to learn any language. But you are consuming English content, but you're not practicing how to speak that language. It's it's very important. Listening is important. Second is speaking also very much important because you don't know You are consuming the English content, you are listening so much English videos on YouTube, any movies, whatever your interest is, right? But you test yourself, because you just on your feed on your mind that language, it's really helpful for you or not. You are just test yourself. And simply I give one suggestion, that is, if you means start practicing speaking in English, the first step when you listen any English content, after that you speak with yourself. Give yourself any situation or any topic, you just describe yourself, right? Simply you describe with yourself. And the most powerful tool when you speak, if you have, if you say, I don't have anyone to speak with them English, I also have same problem, but I practice speaking front of the mirror. I start speaking front of my mobile camera. I record my video, right? So when you are really curious about the English language, you are really interested to learn this language, you find out the way, right? You find out the ways. So here I tell you my experience. Listening is a powerful, listening is essential to learn any language. When how we can learn Hindi? Because since we are in child, that time the mother, our family is talk with us in Hindi language. Whatever your mother tongue, your mother and father talk with that language, you are easily adopt that language. You are easily you easily consume that language, and you are little bit small by small, you just speak that language in in a broken, right? Like we are talking, you are we are saying, is this is a broken English is a broken language, right? You are speaking English like broken. So it happen. So it will take time, it will take time. You are giving yourself to 1 week, 2 week or 3 week, 1 month or 2 month, to properly train your mind to consume that language. And I give one suggestion: never see or listen any native speaker, because the native speaker, the American and British people, they have that their language English there is the mother tongue, right? Our mother tongue is not English. English is the second language for us. So you are only watching and listening simple English videos, uh, which from your country. Like we are from India, I am from India. So you are simply watch Indian speakers video on YouTube, whatever your interest. If you going to listen any motivational speech, like so many motivational speech, Indian motivational speech have that on YouTube, like Priyanka Chopra, R Madhavan, and Irfan Khan, and Shah Rukh also. So you watch and listen that video also. If you are love to cook, the cooking, so you go and watch the English cooking channel. So you get so much stuff on YouTube. So remember, you listening only Indian speaker, not a native American and British speaker, because you can't understand their speaking, because they speak very fast. So it's my opinion. I simply watch English video, Indian speaker video, so it will be helpful for me. I really believe also this also helpful for you. So please listen English videos. After that, try to speak. Just give yourself any topic to speak about that topic and that situation. And hope you like this video. And after just applying this to your learning English learning journey, please come back this video and give me a comment. It's really helpful for you, because I'm telling about this from my experience. I'm not taking any kind of content from others and making a video. No, I really implement in my life. I feel it's really effective. But very important, you are listening plus you are speaking also. Listening practice also important, and speaking also very very important. To remember these two things, listening and speaking. So I complete this video. So hope you like this video. Please like and share with your friends who are really interested to speak in English, improve their English speaking. And do comment if you really implement, really practically do this listening practice on your English speaking journey. So please comment, and let's learn English together. I'm also still learning English. That's why I'm making video to help you out. What's my routine, what's really what's the routine, what's the tips are really helpful for me to learn my English language journey. So I end up this video. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye. Take care.